Welcome to the Nortec Security and Control Numera EverThere training. In this video, you will be introduced to the Numera Libris and EverThere software online application. We'll first talk about the Libris kit and review what components are included. Then you will be introduced to the EverThere software, which allows you to access and manage your Numera Libris devices, settings, and activities. Let's take a look. The Libris kit contains the charger, power cord, belt clip, lanyard clip, and the quick start guide and user guide. If you are missing any of these items when you initially receive your kit, please contact your Libris dealer. Now that we know what's in the box, let's take a look at the EverThere software. To access your EverThere software and initialize your account, you will receive an email invitation. Click the Register button from within your invitation and you will be directed to the EverThere registration page. The registration will require your first name, last name, email address, and username and password. If you would like, you can also register utilizing social media accounts such as Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Be assured that your personal social media information will not be shared. Once you've completed registration, you will be automatically redirected to the EverThere login screen and subsequently to the Terms and Conditions page. After you agree to the terms and conditions, you will be asked to validate your device. Validation will only be required for your initial login. This is a security measure that Numera utilizes to ensure your personal account privacy and safety. Validation is very quick and easy. Simply press the Next button, take the device out of the charger, press Next again, put the device back in the charger. Every time you log in hereafter, you will be taken directly to the EverThere dashboard. The dashboard screen is the first screen that you will see when you log in. And as you can see, the dashboard button is highlighted on the navigation pane while it is the active screen. We will navigate and investigate the other area screens later in this training. From the dashboard, you can view the device information, which includes the signal strength and battery level. It shows the device's last recorded location on the map. To the right is the event activities list, where you can view the events from the device, and up to 25 of the most recent events are displayed, whether it's a location fix, a network change, activity alarm, power on, or low battery. If you click on the settings icon here, you can select which types of events that you would like to see from the dashboard. These question mark icons will display descriptions of each of these event types when you hover over them with your mouse. You can click on these event boxes to select or deselect the different kinds of event types that you would like to see. You can also create a location trail that will show all of the device's prior locations. You can select the number of prior locations here, whether it's 0, 1, 3, 5, 10, or 15 locations. When you select the number of locations that you would like to see, click OK, and the red pins will indicate all the different places that the device has been recorded. Let's now look at the device settings. In the device settings area, you can configure the device settings based upon your specific preferences. Below the settings table, the device signal strength and battery level is displayed. Your Libris provider may choose what settings are offered to you, so a lock sign means the setting is not configurable. If you scroll over the question marks, you can read a short description of each setting. And once you have configured the device to your liking, click OK to save the settings. And now that the device has been configured, let's look at your user profile. The user profile allows you to view all of your information, connected accounts, update a profile image, and view teams. In the My Information area, you can click on the pencil icon and the fields become editable. Everything is editable in this area except for the email address, since it is associated to the device. If you use any social media to register, you will see a link to your account in the Connected Accounts area here. If you'd like to connect to another social media account, such as Facebook, you can click the Connect button here. The profile image here is pulled from a social media account that you have chosen to connect to, whether it's Google or Facebook. Over here, you can access teams that you have connected to, whether it's friends, family members, or caretakers. There is no limit to the amount of teams that you can join. Let's take a closer look at this team option. The team section of the EverThere application is utilized to add additional family, friends, or caretakers to the account to aid with administrative monitoring. The team option is part of the Numera EverThere family feature and may not be initially included in your account setup. For more information on how to access the family features, please contact your dealer or provider. To add a new team member, click on the Team Invitations button and type in your requested team member's email address into the subject and message area. After you have finished inputting, click the Send Invite button. The rest of the process will be very similar to what we saw in our own registration for this new team member. After your new team member registers, they will be automatically assigned to your device. As a team member, they will not get the device validation step since they are not the owner of the device. In your account, you will see the new team member here, where you can choose to assign administrative privileges if you'd like. If you do, they can easily change the device settings and also add or remove other team members, which essentially gives them the same administrative privileges that you have over your own device. So let's now explore the subscription section. The subscriptions area configures the event-driven notifications and team member notifications. The subscription is also part of the Numera EverThere family feature that may not be initially included with your account setup. Again, for more information on how to access the family features, please contact your dealer or provider. Here, you can choose to be contacted by email or SMS, text messaging. Below the Contact Preferences area is the Subscription area. This is where you can configure event-driven and team member notifications. There are many subscriptions that you can set up, add, or delete. When you've configured it, you can click OK to save your settings. And as a recommendation, team members can also receive text messages or notifications if anything takes place. This can be very beneficial in an emergency situation. Down below this main screen is the support link that can take you to support.numera.com. Next to the support link is an FAQ section for the EverThere application. If you have any questions, you may be able to find your answers here. Thank you for watching, and this completes your EverThere training. You may now exit the course.